teaching this course for over 20 years now. He and I were both invited to FDA conference a number of years ago to actually share with them our thoughts on how method validation should be done. There have been a number of guidelines that have come out over the years, and they have sometimes been confusing to people. Our course has actually been very popular. We've taught it over 100 times to over 2,500 people. And we try to bring a lot of real life experience to the course, but also make it a little fun for participants. Oftentimes professional courses aren't necessarily something people want to participate or go to. So we bring a little bit of entertainment in there so that people can go away, maybe have learned some things, but enjoy doing that as well.
Well, many of the people who attend our class have read the guidelines from the ICH and the FDA about method validation, so they know what the guidelines say, but quite often people don't really know how to execute the studies that are needed or to interpret the data just from reading those guidelines. So what we hope people will walk away with is greater confidence in knowing that what they're doing and how they interpret the data, how they run the studies, greater confidence that they are doing those in a way that's comparable to the pharmaceutical industry, so that not just a theoretical knowledge, but a practical knowledge and experience, kind of based on David and our experience over time, that we can relay to them so that they can be more confident in how they choose to carry out this work.